Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, as you all know, that I will be reviewing this beautiful palette, and it is named SFR Hated with Love eyeshadow palette. So I just wanted this palette from a long ago, and finally I have my hands on it. So guys, I will be reviewing this and also will be telling you all the mandatory details about it. So I will be doing a demo in this video by doing my eye look, and I hope you like it. And yeah, if this video seems a little bit satisfying to you, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without talking much, let's just get started with its review. So guys, first of all, as I have told you, this is from SFR. SFR is the brand name of this palette, and it is named as Hated with Love, and this is a pressed pigmented palette. Now what pressed pigmented palette means, I'll show you inside this palette. So first of all, I will be opening this up. So this is a thin sheet they have given so that your colors stay protected, and I'm keeping it aside. Now you can see the whole palette. It has a beautiful look, as you can see that it has a mirror embedded in it. Along with that, you will see all the colors it consists of 63 colors in all, including matte, shiny and glitters. So all of the colors are there in it. I feel that most of the time we need nude colors, and it consists of all nude colors. And along with that, you will find glitters in each and every color. Now I will be swatching it a little. I will not be swatching all the colors. After this, I'll be doing my eye look, so you will better know that how its pigmentation is, because most of the times we don't get to know about the pigmentation when we swatch it. We get to know about it when we just apply it on our eyes. So I'll be swatching 3 colors only. One will be matte, one will be shiny, and one will be glitter. So I'm just taking this a little, see this clearly. I'm taking that nude color, that shiny nude. At last, this blue glitter, there it goes. So now I am wearing my ethnic. I'll be using same shade for my eyes, this one, and the mix of greens. This is the one matches my dress, and a bit of this. So let's just see that how it comes. One color that it does not have is black. Instead of black, they have given 2 dark colors. This is brown, and this is also brown. This seems black, but this is dark brown, you can see. So you can make use of these colors to do smoky eyes. Okay, coming up to its price. So its price fluctuates. First of all, price fluctuates from 550 to 900. So you will get this palette in every range. So I got it for 550. Truly speaking, I got it from trendyfusions.in. That is a Instagram page. You will find it on many other pages. You will find it on Amazon as well as Flipkart. So you can search over there and you can buy it. I will give you the link of trendyfusions.in from where I bought this, so you can purchase it from there also. It's the original palette. It has the product date as well as the expiry date. It has the barcode as well, and it also says that it's cruelty free. It has least chemical ingredients in it, so I really prefer this palette to you guys. And now I will be doing my eye look, so just please stay tuned and watch my video till last to reveal my so I have applied a little bit of concealer over my eyes to get the accurate colors it has. For the outer area, I'll be applying this brown color to get the edges of my eyes. So next up I'll be doing this green color. This is a bit shinier, and after that I'll add this glitter to my eyes. I just love its pigmentation and also this metallic shine in it. Time to see how pigmented this glitter is. So I'm done with my glitter part and how it looks. I don't know if my camera is catching the accurate result, but it looks beautiful. Now at the teardrop I'm adding this pink shade. No, the lighter one. Alright, so I'm done with my eye look, and you can watch it from a little closer. So guys, I really recommend this palette to you, and you should really try this out. You will not be unsatisfied. Just let me know, did you like my eye look or not, and tell me in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this, and like, comment and share my video. See you guys next time. Bye bye.